So for this example, I'm creating a rainbow. I'm creating the first circle, and for this I'm using 1000 pixels by 1000. Once you've got that down, press OK. Then you're going to go to the toolbar, select object, path and offset path. For this I'm saying -100 pixels. Do this and repeat this step for how many other colors you need. Select everything, use your direct selection tool and select half of the circle. Click backspace and this will give you a part of your rainbow. First we are going to select the semicircle and then click on your shape builder tool, and for each section just click so that we can create a shape for each color. Select each of your sections and color accordingly. I've got these pastel colors here on the side. Once you've done that, create 3 more circles to create your clouds, my very weird looking clouds. Select all, go to your pathfinder and unite all 3 circles. Duplicate that and change it to whatever color you need. Place it wherever. Now you're going to select everything and make sure that you group this. Then go to Effect, 3D and Materials and Inflate. Click on Inflate and then you can play around with the settings here. The settings I'm putting in, you don't have to copy them, but these just seem to work with me. Play around with the depth. Then you can go to Materials. Illustrator has different materials that you can place onto your objects. I like pushing the roughness up. And then you go to Lighting. I like the standard setting, but you can choose any others. I like to put a slightly off-white color for the lighting. And playing around with the intensity, rotation, softness, adding some shadows. Play around with the shadows. I push the shadow bounds up a bit so it doesn't cut off. And then click render depending on how powerful your machine is. It should be done, and this is the final product. Now you can add a background and your design will look something like this.